Ooh yeah, you wanna buy and sell a house at the same time? Oh yeah. Buying and selling a house at the same time ain't no easy feat, folks. It's like taking down Andre the Giant by yourself in WrestleMania 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, baby. So me, Billy, we tag teamed this transaction and it was oh so sweet. He was nervous about being homeless and I said, don't worry, Billy boy, I got your back. Billy was nervous about having 2 mortgage payments at the same time. But the mortgage money man came up with the ultimate solution. We got him an express loan, baby. Ooh, yeah. Our express loan approval program just is dynamite. Ooh, so what's an express loan approval?
Thanks, mortgage man. That was quite the introduction, but I'll take it from here. We were able to take our express loan approval and basically turn Billy into a cash buyer. This allowed him to buy his new house first before he sold his current house, which saved him a lot of money and stress. But don't take my word for it, hear it from Billy.
I was nervous about not being able to clear my financing prior to selling my house. The express loan approval took care of all that stress. I wasn't homeless and I instantly made $73,000 on closing day. The mortgage man knows his stuff.
Thanks, Billy, but that's not all. Let me get the mortgage man tagged back in and he'll finish it off.
Thanks, Bob the Banker. Ooh, yeah, you want to know what else happened to Billy? Homeboy bought the house for $73,000 less than it appraised for. All thanks to the express loan approval. When you don't have any financing contingency, you get the upper hand in negotiations when you're talking with the seller. This type of mortgage preparation is what I'm talking about. That makes you money, baby. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, so when you're sick and tired of getting your head bashed off the turnbuckle by other mortgage lenders out there, why don't you hear from Billy on what he thinks? So whether you're working with Bob the Banker or the mortgage man, you can see by this real-life case study how mortgage preparation is #1 key to a successful home purchase. So if you want to be like Billy and potentially make $73,000 on your next home purchase, go ahead, click one of the links above, get on my calendar, and we'll talk very soon.